Good morning student, welcome to the chapter capacitance class 3. In the previous class what we have learnt, these formulas, the derivations. This is the general formula of capacitance C equal to Q by V, capacitance of a spherical isolated conductor C equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 R, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air epsilon 0 A by D, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with fully dielectric K epsilon 0 A by D. Just before I will explain what the effect of dielectric on capacitance, I will ask you one question. Tell me students, whether capacitance is a scalar or vector quantity. Can anyone? Yes, it is a scalar quantity. Why? C equal to Q by V. You see, C equal to Q by V. Charge is a scalar, potential is also a scalar. Hence, it is a scalar quantity. It will ask in the examination, it will come as 1 mark question, whether it is a scalar or vector. Another question for Smita. Tell me the physical quantity whose SI unit is Coulomb volt inverse. Name Smita, which physical quantity? Tell me the physical quantity whose SI unit is Coulomb per volt. Yes, it is capacitance. Also we can write farad. If the question comes, name the physical quantity whose SI unit is farad, the answer is electrical capacitance or capacitance. And in the last class we have learnt 1 farad equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. Already we know. Then in the coming part we will discuss why capacitance increases if dielectric is placed between the gap of the capacitor. What is a capacitor? Can anyone? What is a capacitor? What do you mean by capacitor? Yes, capacitor is an arrangement or a device in which we can store large amount of charge in a smaller space. Okay, because if you take a single conductor, we cannot store large amount of charge. Then how can you store large amount of charge in a smaller space? We have already discussed in the last class. That means if an earth conductor or uncharged conductor is placed near a charged conductor, then opposite kind of charge is induced, potential of the arrangement decreases and capacitance increases. And this is the derivation, C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. If we increase the area, we can increase the capacitance. If we decrease the distance between the two plates, also we can increase the capacitance. Again the third one is, when a dielectric is placed, then also the capacitance increases. This is the second part of the long question, or it is the second long question we can say. Define capacitance, derive an expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor having a dielectric slab. Okay, write down the question. Long question 2. Derive an expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor having a dielectric slab. Dielectric slab. First, we have to know what is a dielectric. As already we know, dielectric means it is an insulator. That means the substance through which electric current cannot passes easily. But again we know, when a dielectric is placed between two charges, then there exists force between the two charges. The value of force reduces, but capacitance increases. How it happens, we will explain. Let us draw the diagram. This is one plate. This is second plate. Plate A, plate B. Plate A is positively charged, having charge plus Q. Plate B is negatively charged, having charge minus Q. Plus Q minus Q. The gap between the two plates is D. Now let us place a dielectric slab. Of thickness T. What is T? T is the thickness of the dielectric slab, and its value is less than distance between the two plates. That means T is less than D. Okay? Then what happens now? In the previous class, we have learnt that the electric field between the plates of the capacitor is uniform. Okay? That is E, but here the notation is, suppose, EO. EO means outside electric field or electric field in air. This region is air. This region is dielectric. Again this region is air. Okay? The outside means outside the dielectric, hence the name is EO. Also you can write EA, A for air, EO or EA. EO means outside electric field. Then when the dielectric is placed, that means it is placed between two charges. Okay? Or it is placed to charge plate actually. It is placed in an external electric field. What is that external electric field? EO. As dielectric is an insulator, but it has atoms, or we can say dipoles. Dipoles means to equal and opposite charges. You have already learnt in the first chapter. To equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Actually in a dielectric, when it is not in the electric field, the dipoles are arranged in a random manner. Suppose this is minus plus, minus plus, minus plus. The dipoles are arranged in a random way. But when it is present in an external electric field, it will set up in a particular direction. Just like when there is no class, suppose in the recess time. That means you are free. So you are moving here and there. Move. But when the bell rang, most of the students will enter to the class. But when the teacher comes, suppose physics teacher comes, then all will open the physics book. All are set in a particular manner. Roll number 1 bus, roll number 2 bus, khata kholo. No, you are so much matured, so you nije set. Similarly, when there is no electric field खाली जदि हमें डाइलेक्ट्रिक टे नबा डाइपोल गुड़ा थांती डाइपोल माने तारो माइनस और प्लस चार्ज बट से माने रैंडमली असाइन है कि थांती बा अलाइन है कि थांती तो से माने करो नेट डाइपोल मूवमेंट किछि न थाए बट जेमती कोठी गोटे मिठा पड़िथिबो पिंपुड़ी कहाउची कि अरे मिठा खाइबो आसे से तार निजे लाइन लगे नोची सिमिलरली प्लस चार्ज आड़ को यार माइनस गुड़ा सब सेट हो जाए तुम जो सपोज बिफोर एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नाही तो माइनस प्लस एमती कोटा अच्छी माइनस प्लस के एमती अच्छी माइनस प्लस के एमती थिला माने गोटे किछि स्पेसिफिक नाही तो हियर बट ऑल व्हेन द डाइलेक्ट्रिक इज प्रेजेंट इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड all the dipoles are arranged in a systematic way or in a aligned way. In what way? Here this is plus, the minus charges are present here. Minus plus. Okay. This side minus is there, means again minus plus. Similarly here minus plus throughout the dielectric they will set in a specific way minus plus all the dipoles are arranged in a regular way. Then what happens? Electric field is induced inside the dielectric. Automatically it can induce an electric field. What is the direction of induced electric field? What is EO? What is EO? EO is external electric field. External electric field. Or if simply we can write only EO. EI vector or EI simply. Induced electric field. Induced electric field inside the dielectric. What is the direction of electric field? It is from positive charge to negative charge. We already know. See EO. The direction of EO is plus to minus. Here the positive charge is in this side, negative charges are in this side. Hence, the induced electric field is opposite to the outside electric field or external electric field. External electric from this side to this side. Induced electric field from this side to this side. That means what is the net electric field? There is an opposition. Suppose you are moving in particular direction. Someone is pushing you. Suppose this is a pen. The direction is in this way. But when I pull the pen towards my side, it will move towards my side. That means external electric field already there initially. That is from positive to negative. An electric field is induced. It induces hoji. That is from this side to this side. The inside the dielectric, the electric field decreases. Agru thila EO. Suppose 5 thila, 5 value. 1 value oppose hela. Tal net value kete hobo? 5 minus 1, that is 4. So what is the direction of electric field now? Inside the dielectric, EO minus EI. But this external electric field is more because due to this electric field is induced here. Hence, the net electric field is inside the dielectric is EO minus EI, that is E, and its direction is along this. That means EO, E both are in same direction, but EI is opposite direction. Then what is the value of E? E equal to EO minus EI. Then what is E? electric field inside the dielectric. What is the difference between EI and E? EI is the induced electric field, the electric field induced inside the dielectric. But what is E? E is the total electric field or net electric field inside the dielectric. EO is the external electric field. Don't be confused by 3 E's. This is external electric field already there in air. This is the electric field induced inside the dielectric, and this E is the net electric field inside the dielectric. Then what is the value of E? E equal to EO minus EI, because induced electric field is less. Okay, what is our aim, dear? What is our aim? Our aim is to determine capacitance of a capacitor having an dielectric slab. What is the formula of capacitance? C equal to Q by V. So we have to determine V. As in the last derivation, how we determine V? Initially we determine E, then E equal to V by D, V equal to E into D. So we can directly write V with the potential difference between the two plates and V equal to E into D, electric field into distance. But here the electric fields are not uniform. In this region the electric field decreases. Here EO, again here EO, but here E. As the electric field decreases, if you increase the thickness of the dielectric, gradually the value of EI is more and E gradually decreases. If electric field decreases, then what is the relation between electric field and potential? E equal to V by D. Then if E decreases, then V also decreases. If V decreases, then capacitance increases. This is the main part. If someone will ask you, when dielectric is present between the plates of a capacitor, why capacitance increases? The main reason is inside the dielectric, electric field is induced and it opposes the outside electric field. That means the net electric field decreases. Electric field decreases, then potential decreases. When potential decreases, capacitance increases. That is the main cause. Now we will derive the derivation. Clear? Main reason is the electric field decreases, hence capacitance will increase. For derivation, let V be the potential difference between the plates of capacitor. What is the formula of V? V equal to E into D, but here V equal to V equal to EO into D minus T plus E into T. Total distance E. This distance is T. So how much distance in air? D minus T. This part and this part. So total is D minus T. T is dielectric part. That means here D equal to D minus T part in air plus T part in dielectric. So how much? D minus T plus T is D. Okay. D minus T part re electric field kete EO. Hence the potential difference in air part is EO into D minus T, and potential difference in dielectric part is E into T. But in the previous derivation, the total electric field is E, hence V equal to E into D. But here the two parts are different. Then this is EO and this is E. How can we solve? it will complicated. C equal to Q by V. Always do the things in a simple manner. Then what is the relation between EO and E? Okay, as we know, K is dielectric constant. There are two definitions of dielectric constant. Can anyone? We have already learned in first chapter. Yes, dielectric constant of a medium is defined as the ratio between force between two charges in air to force between the same two charges in the medium, that is Fa by Fm. Fm means dielectric medium. Instead of force, if you write electric field, because F equal to QE also, then this is EAR. Here instead of A, outside symbol is noted, we can also write EA. EO, and inside the dielectric it is E. Okay, so what is the formula now? Dielectric constant K equal to EO by E, where K is dielectric constant of the dielectric what we have taken. Then E equal to EO by K. Okay, E is the electric field inside the dielectric, EO is outside electric field, K is dielectric constant. Substitute this. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Use this equation 2 in equation 1. Then V equal to EO d minus T plus EO by K into T. Okay, just I am going in a simpler way. First one is potential difference in air, potential difference in dielectric. Then for simplification, convert this E into EO. Then we can take common EO d minus T plus T by K. What is D? What is T? D is distance between two plates. T is thickness of dielectric slab. Okay. These are known to us. D, distance is given one. T, thickness what we have taken. K, dielectric constant. Then what is the value of EO? Already we have learnt. EO is what? Electric field in air or electric field inside the plates of the capacitor or in between the plates of the capacitor. What is the value of EO? Can anyone? Yes, EO equal to sigma by epsilon 0. In the previous class we have learnt EO equal to how? Sigma by epsilon 0. Inside the or in between the plates, if a positive charge is taken due to one plate, the electric field is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Due to other plate, also sigma by 2 epsilon 0. If we add up, in the previous class we have already learnt, that is sigma by epsilon 0. That means EO equal to sigma by epsilon 0. What is sigma there? What is sigma? Sigma is surface charge density. Already we have learnt surface charge density. Sigma equal to Q by A. This is Q by A epsilon 0. Okay, let it be equation number 2. That one is 2, this one is 3, this is 4. Now substitute this equation 4 in equation 3. We will get, use this V equal to, instead of EO, A epsilon 0 D minus T plus T by K. Okay, this is the expression for potential difference between the two plates of the capacitor having a dielectric slab. Then what we have to determine? Main part is C equal to Q by V. Just substitute. As we know, capacitance C equal to capacitance, electrical capacitance, simply we can say also capacitance C equal to Q by V. Use the value of V, that implies C equal to Q by V is Q by A epsilon 0 D minus T plus T by K. Then Q cancels. C equal to epsilon 0 A, this will go to the top, by D minus T plus T by K. Okay, take common D, epsilon 0 A by D 1 minus T by D plus T by dk. Already up to 90% we have covered for the derivation. Why I have taken common D? Because I will compare with capacitance field with AR. Epsilon 0 A by D. This is capacitance in AR. Okay? Then just write the value. If the gap is fully filled with air, then what is the expression? C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. That implies C equal to, this is also we can write the final expression for capacitance of a capacitor filled with a dielectric slab. C equal to epsilon 0, instead of epsilon 0 A by D, we will write CA. CA means what? What is CA? CA is capacitance. CA, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air. Epsilon 0 A by D means CA. 1 minus T by D plus T by dk. Then what is the relation between C and CA? Whether C is more or CA is more? Can anyone? 1 by 2 is more or 1 by 4 is more? 1 by 2 is more. If in the denominator the value is less, the number is more. So here K is always greater than 1. As we all know, dielectric constant value is always greater than 1. 1 minus D is more, T is less. Suppose I will write 1 minus, let D is say 4 cm. T is less than 4, let it be 2 by 4. I am explaining whether C is more or CA is more, just in a simple way you understand. 1, T is 2 cm, say D is 4 cm plus 2, D is 4, K is always greater than 1, let it be 2. Suppose 2. The 1 minus half plus, this is 1 by 4. 1 minus half is what? Half plus 1 by 4. Okay. Then the value is, this means denominator part I am explaining. In the denominator, this value is less than 1. Because of this, okay, half plus 1 by 4 means 4, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. That means this term is less than 1. If this term is less than 1, suppose this is 3 by 4, then it will go to the top. then C equal to 4 by 3 into Ca, and this value is greater than 1. So which one is more? C is, if this is 3 by 4, then we will say that C is less. But C is 4 by 3 into Ca, hence C is greater than Ca. Okay? If you place a dielectric, then the capacitance increases because the electric field between the two plates decreases and potential decreases, and hence capacitance increases. Okay? This term is less than 1, hence C is greater than Ca. C जगह आमे सेठी Cm लिखिथिले. Cm कोन? Capacitance of a capacitor having a dielectric medium. Suppose we will take fully dielectric. Inside the plate, if whole the gap is filled with dielectric, जोटा आमे capacitor रे काल देखिथिले, पूरा polythene टा ही cover हेजी. Okay, एटा आमे derivation कले. Practically wholly or whole part is filled with dielectric. Then what happens? T becomes D. The whole gap is filled with dielectric. If T equal to D, this is special case. If T equal to D, then C equal to Ca 1 minus, instead of T, D plus D by D into K. Okay? D by D is 1. Ca 1 minus 1 plus 1 by K. Then K will go to the top. Kca. Already we have. Just in the previous long question, in the special case, which just substituted in terms of epsilon 0, epsilon, and epsilon equal to K into epsilon 0, then that becomes K epsilon 0 A by T. This is the actual derivation. That implies C equal to Kca means what? C equal to K into epsilon 0 A by D. That means if the whole gap is filled with dielectric, then the capacitance increases. C by Ca equal to K, and K is always greater than 1, that is C is greater than Ca. How much time the capacitance increases? It increases K times, dielectric constant times. So if the whole gap is fully filled with dielectric, then the capacitance becomes dielectric constant times then air. Suppose a capacitor filled with air, if capacitance C is 10 microfarad, suppose in air, if a dielectric constant 4, dielectric constant has no unit, it is simply a ratio, then what will be the capacitance? C equal to Kca. This is a 1 mark question. K means here 4, Ca is 10, hence it becomes 40 microfarad. So how we will increase the capacitance? If we place a dielectric whose dielectric constant is more, then we can increase the capacitance of the capacitor filled with dielectric. So again I am just briefing out what we have learnt from the beginning. We have taken a parallel plate capacitor initially filled with air. The distance between the two plates is D. Let a dielectric slab of thickness T is placed between the two plates. Then inside the dielectric, dipoles are arranged and electric field is induced, that is opposite to the external electric field. Electric field decreases, hence potential also decreases and capacitance increases. That is the basic cause. If 1 mark question asks why capacitance increases when a dielectric is placed between the plates of the capacitor, the main cause is inside the dielectric, electric field is induced which opposes the external electric field, or simply in one line we can say the electric field between the plates of the capacitor decreases and hence potential decreases, capacitance increases. Just one by one we are going in ahead. Initially we have taken a single conductor and we cannot store more charge. Then how we can store more charge? By placing an uncharged conductor. The setup, we are creating the setup that how we decreases the potential. The potential decreases, capacitance increases. This is the derivation for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor filled with a dielectric. That means the capacitance increases dielectric constant times, k times. Okay. Then next, a small question. Before going to the question, you see the PowerPoint. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab. You see the electric field, this is a dielectric slab, thickness T, this is EP, again I have written EI, what is EP here? EP is also the electric field induced inside the dielectric, this is also called polarization of dielectric because dipoles are arranged means dipole, poles are created, hence this is also called polarization of dielectric. What do you mean by polarization of dielectric? When a dielectric is placed inside an electric field, dipoles are arranged and electric field is induced. Because of the term dipole, this is called polarization of dielectric. So we can denote also EI or EP. Okay, you see the PowerPoint. EO outside electric field, EP electric field inside the dielectric. The net electric field inside, the notations are slightly different, but the concept is same. EO minus EP, again VO potential difference, EO into D minus T, plus we have read or written as EN instead of EN, it is E. K equal to EO by E or here EO by EN. Already read the derivation, B equal to EO into D minus T. C equal to Q by V, put the value of V. Epsilon 0 A by D is capacitance of a capacitor filled with air. CO means here CA, capacitance of a capacitor filled with air. The capacitance increases with introduction of dielectric slab. Next we will go for the combination of capacitor. Before that, just a small problem. Just I am giving the givens directly. If area of each plate is 10 to the power 4 meter square, distance between the two plates is 1 cm, dielectric constant K is say 8, find capacitance. C equal to K epsilon 0 A by D. Already we have known. Instead of K, we will substitute 8. Epsilon 0, 8.85 10 to the power minus 12. Area 10 to the power 4 meter square. But you see, this is centimeter. You have to convert it into meter. 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Put this value. Ten to the power minus 12. Area is 10 to the power 4. Distance is 10 to the power minus 2. Just you multiply. Minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 plus 2. Just you calculate 4 70 into, just you calculate 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Nearly 70 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Okay. Next we will go for the combination of capacitor in the next class. Okay. Thank you.